Hey guys, it's Rob here. Today I'm going to show you how you can make your clips look old in CapCut. So the first thing you want to do is drag your footage or image into the timeline. We're then going to go to the top and select Effects. Now go to the left side, open the Video Effects tab, and go down to Retro and select it. Now here you can see lots of different effects, so choose one that you like. Some of them are the Pro version and they have the little diamond on, and some of them are free. So for example, if we want to see how one of them would look, we can just click on it, so Retro DV3. And what this does is it will apply it to your image or your footage before you've actually put it into the timeline as a kind of preview. So then if we wanted to actually use this effect, we can drag it either onto the timeline or into the footage itself. Now, if we come up to the right, you can see these different settings, so you can actually alter whatever effect you've applied. So in this case, we can change the speed. And if we press play, that's the speed that these kind of little cuts are appearing on the screen. And the strength, if we lower that, you can see as well, the strength of the effect fades. Now, if we come to the top right and select mask, it is a pro feature, but it's very useful, so I'll show you how to use it. If we click add mask, you can choose a different shape. You could use the pen tool to draw a shape. And what this does is it applies the effect only within the area of the mask. So if you drag this around, you can see the effect is only occurring within the mask that we drew. There's also the other settings like feather, which makes the edge of the mask softer. Expansion, how far out do we want the effect to reach? Then you also have the option to track the mask with your footage if you wish to do so. So there you go, guys. Super simple. I hope this was helpful, and I will catch you again